Alrighty, we're on the game on Steam, Eve. As you can see, right here, looks like it's at about 60 FPS, ranging between 55 and 60. I'm gonna grab a little of my points. So, let's see. Let's do something fun and interesting. And move the screen around. There. That'll make it a little bit better for y'all. See, I play this once in a while, because it's fun. Plus, I'm building. I'm still fairly new to this game. I don't explain too much about it because I don't want to get copyrighted. And I don't want to get demonetized because of and I got 25 days. Wow. That takes this game so long is the training time. The training time is really bad on this. You got to spend at least probably 3 months of training time just to catch up. I mean, it's crazy. Right now I'm supposed to be doing a mission, but can't do the mission because I still got to figure out how the mission rolls. Let me get that out of there. But as you can see, 60 FPS, not too bad, and it's running good. And that's on Steam Eve. Next, we'll go to, we'll do some, I don't know, we'll do something fun. Sit tight.